Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon, nag-order ako through Shopee ng contact lens. Yan. Eyeliner, eyebrow pencil, and this. This is parang ano siya, contact lens solution. Okay. And then this din, ito din, yung for the contact lens. Ayan. Oh my god, excited ako. Excited na ako. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, let's try this. So this is ocean blue. Ayan, ocean blue. Let's open it. Oh my gosh. Okay, naka-sealed siya. Yes. So, naka-sealed siya. Should I try it? Yes, ito try ko. Yung tatlong contact lens, meron pala siyang free na lalagyan. Dito ko ilalagay. May dalawa akong lalagyan for contact lens. Ano pa to? Parang 2 years ago, 1 year ago. Let's open it. Open ko na ito. Lagyan na natin. Ayan. Okay. And then, lagyan natin siya dito. Ganyan. Okay. I'm excited. I'm excited. Thank you so much, Doreamon.manila, for my contact lens. Contact lens. So, next naman ay itong aking Magic Gray na contact lens. Fresh Lady soft contact lens. So this is from Doreamon.manila. Empty. Okay. Next. So this is a wildcat contact lens. Okay. Sorry kung hindi ako tumitingin sa camera. Kasi, tumitingin ako sa aking salamin. Okay, let's open. Ayun, sa dalawa. Okay. Okay, lumabas na siya. Yun siya. Diyan. The other one. Okay. So, naka-ready na ating mga mata. Char. Mga mata. This is the gray. Ano po? Anong pangalan ito? Gray. Magic gray. This is the ocean blue. And this is the wildcat green. And last two unboxing. This is the Sace Lady eyebrow pencil. Okay. Ayan. Ta-da! So pretty! So this is a shade of gray. So kasi yung eyebrow na hindi masyadong dark. This is the brush. The brush is so soft. Okay, moving on. And last item natin from Shopee. This is from Sace Lady. Again. Okay, ready? Wow. So pretty. Oh my gosh. The packaging, the primary package. It's so pretty. Like gold and black. Yes. Para siyang pen. Pentel pen. Okay, that's it. Make me one and only you.
Gago!
Okay. So, may nahanap na akong eye drop from EO. Ayan. Eye drop from EO. So, this is actually my cousin's eye drop. Hiniram ko and then di ko na naisauli. So, yun. 2022 pa yung expiration nito. So, first natin i-try is yung ocean blue. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. After how many years? Apa. It's actually pretty. Ouch. Bagay ba ako sa blue eyes? Ooh. First time kong mag-try ng mga ganitong colors. Kasi usually, ang binibili kong contact lens is brown.
2 hours later.
Okay, after how many years? Yes po, opo. Nalagay ko na po siya. Ito po siya. Let's move to the last contact lens. At yung last contact lens natin is, itatry ko yun with this. Magkikilay ako and then mag-eyeliner para matry ko din. Nilagay ko na po yung gray natin. Ano nga yan? Magic gray. Ito po yan siya. Gagamitin po natin itong Sace Lady. Sace Lady, Sace Lady, Sace Lady. I think. Let's do a simple K-line lang. I actually like this kasi creamy siya. And the bad thing lang nito is feel ko madali siyang maubos. Yeah. Look at that. It's so pigmented. Hi guys! Ito na po yung final look natin. So, ang gamit kong eyeliner is ito, Sace Lady. Ayan. Ganda, no? So pretty.
That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell for more videos. Bye!